This tutorial review will show you how to upload high quality pictures on Instagram. 2 ways to upload high quality photos to Instagram. There are a few different ways you can avoid having your photos compressed by Instagram. Here's how to do it. First method, understand Instagram's requirements. If you keep your photos within Instagram's constraints, then you can control the quality and not worry about them being force resized by the app. These are the guidelines released by Instagram for uploading photos. Use the most recent version of the Instagram app. Upload photo with an aspect ratio between 1.91:1 and 4:5. Upload a photo with a maximum width of 110 pixels and a minimum width of 320 pixels. Any photo wider than 110 pixels will be compressed automatically and you will lose detail. Photos smaller than 320 pixels wide will be enlarged, which will also produce blurriness. Any photo that doesn't meet the aspect ratio requirements will be cropped to acceptable dimensions. Method 2. Fix relevant settings. Open your Instagram profile. Tap on this hamburger menu at the top right. Then go to Settings and Privacy. And scroll down, search for your app and media section. Here you have to tap on data usage and media quality. And now you have to enable this upload at highest quality option. So follow these 2 methods to upload high quality pictures on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.